This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. It is SheModern Saturday. You have stumbled upon another Saturday full of nail art. And everybody's doing fall manicures right now still. It is the middle of November. November 16th to be exact. Except I'm not doing a fall manicure. I am doing a winter manicure because Old Man Winter has opened up its mouth and blown snow upon us. A couple days back, we got 9 inches of snow here in southeastern Michigan. Depending on where you're at, some places got more. Down by the border of Ohio, I think they got a little bit less. Most places around Metro Airport got 9 inches, so there's where we're sitting. So I'm doing a snowflake manicure. Let me see where I'm at. Here's my nail. I'm using stilettos, which I really have come to love. I have gotten this beautiful, beautiful gray polish by Moran. It's a peel off. Check them out, mymoran.com. They make peel off nail polish systems. Isn't it beautiful? So that's what's on the nail. On that, it was cured for 30. On that, we are going to put some blue sparkling sheer color. It's a new line by SheModern. So go there after this video, SheModern.com. Check them out. She just revamped the whole pigment glitter section. Colors, different kinds. She's got a galaxy section now. She's got an opaque line. They're just beautiful. The opaque ones, I think they all come like, I've got two like this, a white and a red. And it's this opaque. And she's got new labels. All of them have the hollow label. Sorry, I can't sing, can't carry a tune, so I don't know why I'm doing it to your poor ears. But we are going to put on the nail the grip gel. I need to get my new bottle out. I hope this holds us through the manicure. I do have new grip and gel glue. Oh shoot, stuck my finger all over it. So we're going to stick that lamp for 30. Sorry about that. I was turning the lamp on. We're going to do that. We're going to put that on the tip of it. We're going to put this white opaque for snow. Let's see, what else am I going to be using? I'm going to be putting a few dots of snow in here from the white line. P&D Princess Nails by Diana, her line, P&D gels. I'll be using her white polish for that. Might use her top coat, not sure yet. If not, I'll be using the top coat, the steel top coat by Leaf U by Modelones, the sub brand. These bottles, I'm just having a hard time getting them out. It's not, I think this is one that's almost empty. So we'll see as we go along here. We have got our nail. Let me get my little palette here. I'm going to do the snow first. These little pots are cute as, you know what? But getting into them is, I don't know. Maybe it's like I got big man paws. I have to say, I mean, these are cute. These little pots. But I like the bottles better because you can dispense out what you want. There's no fuss or muss. There we go with that. With this, I kept spilling it earlier. And that's just me, though. That's just the user. So now we are going to take the blue sparkling sheer pigment. She didn't have the sparkling line before in these shears. It was just straight color. Now she's got the sparkling line, and these are beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. Ooh. Look how beautiful that looks. Can't avoid this, but look how beautiful that is. So now, since our pigment is on, we're going to remove that palette. Brush this off again. I'm now going to be using the let me see, the grip gel to put our decals on. Spread this evenly throughout the nail. And we are going to cure this for 30. I just love this sparkling sheer line she's got now. That's just gorgeous. She's also got the galaxy. You see there's the sheer sparkling. She's got the galaxy twinkle. Yep, I'm on Instagram looking at their stuff. Don't forget to go on there at she_modern. Check out, see there's a picture of the Galaxy Twinkle line. White color gives up beautiful twinkle, shimmer, rainbow effect. That's probably over a black nail. That's just beautiful, isn't it? Yes, my phone's a little bit broke. I don't know if you can see. So our nail is done. We have got our decals off to the side. I'm using different color snowflakes. Ta-da! My Beauty Big Bang Stamper is what I use to put decals on with. Okay, here we go. Have something that is lint-free off to the side to dab your stamper off with. Nice big red snowflake. I think these are just beautiful. See there? Isn't that just gorgeous? This is a hollow snowflake. And we just got snow falling all around here, folks. In all different colors. Oh, wow. Get my nail off. Hopefully the decals stay put. I can't believe it just happened. Put our nail back on the stand. I cannot believe that happened. It's just crazy. There we go. I'm just making a mess. Just making a mess. Put this away. Yeah, I got water all over the place. Knocking the nail off. Okay, here we go. Clean up our mess. We're going to now get the white polish with a tiny dotting tool. It's a lot of polish. Just a few. Try to use your light hand, where you're not so heavy-handed. A few droplets of snow about. There we go. We're going to stick this back in the lamp for 30. Now I'll do a flash cure for 15. And then we're going to top coat. I think I'm just going to use P&D, Princess Hills by Diana, her no wipe top coat. So I know I have some in there. Put your stuff away while you're waiting. Here's our nail so far. I think it's really cute. Lots of snowflakes. Yeah, winter is definitely upon us. I know the calendar still says fall, but Old Man Winter had something else in mind for Michigan. Ooh. Oh, I do want to put a few little gems on the nail. Okay, let me see. Here we go. Pull a few of them out. Shoot. Just gonna drop them all over the place. These are as small as what I hoped for. But whatever. So now I'm gonna pop this in the lamp for 30. And we will be right back. Alright, we are back. Here's our manicure. Our first winter mani of 2019. I think these are really super cute. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to click that bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. Normally I upload 3 times a week, but from now till the end of the year it could be a little bit more. And I really hope you'll show your support and give a full view for each video uploaded. Well, we have come to the conclusion of our first winter manicure. Have a blessed day, and thank you.